Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Wallet and tapping the Apple Cash Card. This brings up the balance and recent items. Once done, authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode so you can access sensitive details. Make sure your Apple ID matches the device account and that iOS is current. These steps prevent missing transactions or sync errors. This first action reveals the transaction list and settings where history is stored, so proceed directly to inspect entries shown under your balance. Now scroll through the transaction list and tap an item to view full details. This shows merchant, date, time, and the exact amount. If a long list appears, use visual filters like sent versus received or look for pending transfers to isolate the entry you need. Once you find a transaction, swipe or tap to see dispute or report options, and note any reference ID. These are useful when contacting support. Make sure to check timestamps to match bank statements or receipts precisely. Finish by saving or exporting the record. Screenshot the details or use the Wallet/Settings export option for bookkeeping. Then verify amounts against your bank or card statements to catch discrepancies early. If a transaction is missing or wrong, sign out of Apple ID and sign back in, update iOS, and check network connectivity. These steps often restore sync. If issues persist, contact Apple support with the transaction ID and screenshots. This gives them the evidence needed to investigate efficiently.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.